A very good morning, students. Today we will have our science class, and today we'll start with a new chapter, that is food we get from plants. So in the last chapter we have studied about living things and non-living things, and today we will study the new chapter, food we get from plants. So plants are of different sizes. Some are big and some are small. Some plants grow on the ground and some are in water. Clear? So before we start with the types of plants, we'll study about the different parts of a plant first. Now can you see here parts of a plant where we have bud, we have flower, we have leaf, we have fruit and stem. So this is the shoot part of the flower. And can you see this? This is the root part. Okay. So this is the root part. So the flower which are on the top of the ground, that is the shoot part. That is the part above the ground is called the shoot. It consists of the leaf, leaves, bud, flowers and fruits. And this is the root part. The part below the ground is called the root. So this is the plant. This is the structure of a plant, and you can see the different parts of a plant here. So on the basis of the size and the type of stem, plants can be grouped as trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers or creepers. So there are 5 different types of plants. So there are 5 different types of plants. Can you see? There are herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. So we will do a detailed study of different types of plants today. Okay, so we'll start with the first, that is herbs. Now we'll come to the first category of the plant, that is herbs. These plants are generally smaller than shrubs. Okay, so can you see shrubs here? So these plants, that is herbs, are smaller than shrubs. Okay, they are smaller in size of shrubs. They have single or non-woody stem. So can you see they have single stems, which is non-woody. Woody meaning it's not made of wood. It's the single stem. Okay. So they are very soft. They are not very hard. The stems of the plant is not very hard. It is very soft. And they have single stem. Can you see? They have only single stems. And they are very small in size. So these are herbs. For example, mint plant, spinach plant. These are the example of herbs. Clear? Now we'll come to the second type, that is shrubs. Now the second type is shrubs. These plants are generally smaller than trees. So shrubs are smaller than trees. Can you see trees here? So shrubs are smaller than trees. They have many thin woody stems. Can you see? They have thin woody stems near the ground. So they appear like bush. Rose, for example, rose, hibiscus, cotton plants are example of shrubs. So I have here cotton plant and hibiscus drawn for you. Can you see them? They are smaller than tree and they are thin, non-woody. Okay, they are thin and they are woody, but not as that compared to the tree. And they appear like bush. Clear? So they are bigger than herbs but smaller than trees. Understood? Now the third type of plant is trees. Okay, these plants are big, Have you seen trees around your surrounding? You must have seen, no? There are so many trees around our surrounding. So these trees are big. They have single woody stem called trunk. Can you see? They have single thick woody stem. We call it as trunk. Okay? They are very thick and they are woody and they are very hard. So these are called trunk. Like for example mango tree, for example neem tree, they have single woody stem which is very hard and we call it trunk. Okay, so tree, the stems of tree we call it trunk, and trees are very big in size. Okay, now the fourth type of plant is climbers. Okay, these plants have weak stem and need support of some other plant, wall or sticks for climbing. Can you see this? This is a grapevine and this is a bean plant. Can you see these two plants? They don't have a strong stem, so they cannot stand upright on their own. So they need to take support of a wall, or they take support of some other plant, or they take support of a stick to make themselves stand or to make themselves grow up. So they climb and they grow up. And another example of this is money plant also. So these plants have a weak stem and need the support of other plants, wall or stick for climbing. For example, grapevine, bean, betel gourd, money plant. These are the example of climber plants. Okay. Now this is the last type of the plant, that is creepers. Creepers have weak stems and have heavy fruits. So the stem cannot hold the plants upright. The plants grow along the ground. So creepers and climbers are different, students. Mind it, they are not same. Climbers, they climb upright. Okay, taking support of plant, wall or stick. But creepers, they grow along the ground. They have heavy fruits and they grow along the ground. So creepers and climbers are not same. For example, watermelon, strawberries are example of creepers. Understood? So now we have understood all the different 5 types of plants, that is herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. So all the different 5 types of plants we have studied today through examples, okay, that I have drawn. So you have to go through all the topics properly and read the notes that I will be providing you.